Hello, my name is Noel and I live at the Vulcan in East Oakland, California. And for my IJA 2012 video competition, I will be doing a reverse Poi Fishtail. Now it looks a little bit like this. A fishtail is a trick that can be transferred between a wide variety of props. It can be incorporated into your club swinging, your contact staff or staff spinning, or even random objects in case you want to do it for a renegade show. The fishtail has a learning curve very similar to traditional juggling props. It takes dedication, time, and a little practice to get solid. The traditional fishtail with the rigid prop, like a staff or a club, one end of the staff does not leave the one side of the body. The Poi fishtail is a little bit different. The handle of the Poi switches from parallel planes each side. This is the difference that makes the Poi fishtail different from the normal rigid prop fishtail and so interesting and fun. It is best to practice Poi fishtails with the type of Poi called a contact Poi. The Poi head is a ball and the handle is weighted to provide counterweight for your fishtail. You can begin with any Poi, but I suggest the contact Poi as the illusion of the fishtail is maintained. Here, I'm using an 80mm stage ball and a set of flow cord from Flow Toys. The next most important thing you want to practice is to think about which cradle you'd like to learn for your contact Poi fishtail. So, here we go. I like the 3-finger cradle here because it's prettier than the 4-finger cradle and it's not as hard as the 2-finger cradle, but any one you choose will work. In the first of our 4 drills, you will not be using any Poi at all. Taking a stage ball and putting it into your favorite cradle, move the ball around from side to side, changing between parallel planes. After you're comfortable, give it a little hop. The hop should happen at the very center line of your body. This will get you used to the string and handle switching from side to side. Another drill teaches us how to move from a hold into a balance. To begin, grab the head of the Poi and swing in reverse on one side of your body. Give the Poi a little toss and balance it on the back of your hand, absorbing the impact. Toss it back up and catch it in the hand again. When you're comfortable with this catch, go ahead and try balancing your hand and swinging the handle to the other side of your body. Try to make sure that you're giving it a little bit of a pop as you move it to the other side to get that handle over. One beat to the wayside and then back home. And stop. Don't try to keep going quite yet. Just try to get started with 2 beats and eventually you move up to more and more. In the third drill, you start by swinging your Poi back and forth on your side. And as the Poi handle is on the way up, swing the handle to the other side and stop and end in the swing. I find this drill focuses the attention on the swinging aspect of the fishtail. If you find it difficult to stop on the other side, go back and practice your basic balance. The 4th Poi fishtail drill starts by adding a softer swing to the technique. Start by holding the handle in one hand and the ball in the other, and drop the handle and try to get a few rotations out of the Poi, and then re-catch in the original position. Once again, build up with 2 beats, then gradually add more until it's comfy. Practicing all 4 of these Poi fishtail drills will improve your fishtails drastically. Some drills work for some people, some work for others, so pick the ones you like best and work on those. Or maybe come up with your own. Remember, small steps. Try to get 1 bead of the fishtail, and then 2, and then 3, and then build up. Build up confidence while practicing. Thanks for watching my IJA tutorial video on reverse poi fishtails. Subscribe, become a member of the IJA, and see you next time. Bye!